The next principle I want to explain to you today is the Conservatism Principle. And no, it's not about a political party. It's about the way we look at business. So, quite simply put, the Conservative Principle means we will always underestimate and understate revenues and always completely disclose our expenses. Why is the Conservative Principle so important? Well, in business, we need to realize that the accounting profession is self-regulated. We govern ourselves. We're like doctors, we're like lawyers. The government does not tell us how to do accounting. So we must operate in a conservative manner at all times. A great example of this not working so well was Enron. Enron was an energy trading company that manufactured revenues by creating invoices for companies that didn't exist. They were cooking the books, and that company failed directly as a result of that. So what does this mean for you in the hotel? Well, a great example of this would be a wedding, and the wedding gets canceled, and we send the bride and groom a nice invoice for the cancellation fee. We would never ever recognize that revenue until the check clears the bank. That's the Conservative Principle.